Hey my loves, it's a girl Genevieve. Welcome to my channel if you're new, and welcome back if you're a returning subscriber. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how I will be installing my cluster lashes. All right, so guys, this is actually the first time I'm going to be trying to do that. Okay, so I'm used to installing the already made lashes, the false lashes, whereby you just pop in the glue on it and then put it in your eyes and there you go. So today I'm going to be the one that's cluster lashes. All right, so walk with me as I do that.
Every night are we paradise seems so far away. Still I try to buy myself some time to get me to that place.
Here I have my cluster lashes, and then I also have this glue that came with it, but I'm not going to be using this glue. I'm just going to stick with using my Lanel bonding glue because I feel it holds better for me. Okay, but if you want this one, if you like this one, you can just go ahead and use it. Okay, so here I have the tweezer that I'm going to be using to hold the lashes and put it on my eyes, and also I have the spoolie that I'm going to be using to swoop the lash. I usually like applying my glue at the back of my hand like this. Okay, I'm just gonna do that. All right, so just apply a little bit of that. Okay, so yeah, this is it. If you don't like it, so you can look for something and put it on, but I don't mind it being on my hand like this. Okay, so I just put it there. Then I'm gonna get my tweezer in Peacock 14. Okay, so 14 is what we're going to use first. Okay, so I'm just going to come right here and then pick up 14 from here. Okay, if you can see, like so. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of it. Okay, so yeah, when you pick it, don't just put it immediately because it's still not tacky enough. It's not really gonna hold. So when you place it on your lashes, it's gonna pull. Okay, so when you pick it up like this, try to blow it a bit, let it dry a bit, let it become tacky a bit. So once you just place it, it tends to hang. Okay, same goes to the false lashes. Okay, so when you want to apply the ready-made false lashes, when you apply your bonding glue, always let it sit for a little time. You can blow it or you can just wait for a little time for it to get tacky, and sticky. So once you just place it, it tends to just hold instantly. Okay, without moving. Okay, I think it's okay enough for me to place it. So I think I'm just gonna zoom in so you can see it. Just hope it works. So I have to be looking down because I have my mirror here with me. Okay, I have my mirror here with me. Okay, so it's just gonna help me to really know where to place it. I'm just gonna start placing that from here.
I started with 14 because I feel 16 would be too long for the first time I'm trying it out. So maybe next time I'm gonna try using 16. Okay, but here I'm starting with 14 first.
Okay, another 14. So I'm just gonna place it very close to the other one. Okay, because I want it to be very flat. I'm just gonna raise my eye and then place it very close. Okay, gonna press that in. Okay, yeah. I'm just gonna place that right very close. Okay. Okay. Okay, so raise your eye, bring it very close to the last one, just like so.
Alright guys, so I have to speed up the process because it seems the video is taking too long, so I don't want it to be too long. So this is the last one I'm going to be using for this eye.
I'm just going to place it in. But if you want, you can actually leave it like this, still okay like this. But I think I just want that, like I just want this one to be inside. So I just go on to place it like so.
Alright guys, so this video is very detailed. Like I had to reduce the speed so you can see how I'm doing it. So this is a very beginner friendly cluster lashes installation. If you don't know how to install cluster lashes for the very first time, watch this video. You will definitely going to know how to do it. Besides, this is actually my first time. Like I said earlier in my videos, I usually install the already made false lashes, the one that you just apply the glue on and pop it on your eyes. But this very one, this is my first time of actually doing it on myself. And guys, I would say I really love this. Like, I don't know why I've been sleeping on this cluster lashes. Like, you know what? I even prefer cluster lashes now to the already made false lash I usually install, because this one goes underneath my natural lashes. Okay, I place it underneath my natural lashes, which lays very well. But if I'm installing the other already made false lashes, I have to place it on top. And based on the fact that I have a coily natural lashes, it tends to hang sometimes, and then I get to struggle to actually make sure that my natural lashes and the false lashes are glued together. So this one, it's very nice and it's very simple, guys. This is gonna be my go-to. Like, it's definitely going to be my go-to right now. Like, I'm going to be installing this more often. Alright guys, so this is it for this video. This is how it's looking. Please kindly subscribe to my channel if you've not. Like this video, share this video to support me. Also comment on the comment section how does my first time install of cluster lashes look like. Did I try or did I not try? I know in my next video, if I'm trying to do it again, I'm gonna do better. Okay, so guys, if you always pay money to have your lashes installed, I want to urge you today to try on cluster lashes, and you're going to be saving a whole lot of money for yourself. Learn to do some certain things for yourself. Do not always go to the salon or pay money, but that doesn't mean you shouldn't go and pay money, okay? Because that is people's business. All right, I'll see you in my next one. Love you. Bye.